businessman who's lacking purpose, where everything in your life seems like it's going wrong and you don't have an identity anymore, we have something for you, something so special. A 5-day event in Italy, a mastermind with some powerhouse coaches. My brother is one of them. I want you to meet him. He's Christian. He's a head Spartan coach. Yes, the Spartan coach where they run through the electrical wires in the mud. This man shows you how to do it, but I want him to explain exactly what's included on this 5-day mastermind.
We're gonna bring into alignment your faith and your fitness. Strength that is both physical and mental. We're going whitewater rafting. I'm gonna sabotage you on those rafts so it develops teamwork. We're gonna conquer a mountain. We're going cliff jumping. We're gonna have to harness our faith. We're gonna have to have belief to take that leap of faith off of that cliff. We're going mountain biking through the Alps, the most majestic, most scenic place you have ever seen in your life.
Amazing.
We're gonna break ourselves down physically. We're gonna bring ourselves up spiritually. We're doing it all with Brotherhood. We're gonna create this bond between us men without distractions of phones and emails and girls, just us, wired to become one.
I love that because what it's gonna do here is gonna show you your true purpose. Being spiritually aligned with your physical self, finding yourself with other men going through the same exact thing. Spots are limited and there's a spot waiting for you. So let's see if you're a good candidate. Hit the link below and we're gonna have someone reach out to you as soon as possible. Let's go.